Introducing the Kibako Ac-cent brick blocks, your handy storage essentials. The Kibako shelf comes in 4 customizable blocks: single square, double square, single rectangle, and double rectangle. You can arrange these brick blocks however you like because these pieces can be joined together with bolts and nuts. Fret not though, the screws are hardly noticeable from a step away. Some of the other ways you can use the Kibako shelf is to fit a double rectangle under your study table or to build an open shelf beside your work table to get easy access to your materials. And apart from work, the Kibako shelf can also double up as a display area for your plants and ornaments, and it can even serve as an open wardrobe. So the Kibako gives you extra storage by organizing your empty spaces into blocks. The link to the Kibako can be found in the description box below, and if you'd like to find out more, you can also head down to our store or book an appointment with us for a more personalized home solution.